Don't get stuck with a lead that can't pay what you're owed. With SugarCRM and Enable's Creditsafe add-on, you'll only be going for the best targets possible. But how does that work? Let me show you. For sales teams, researching targets is about more than just finding a fit for your product or service. While it's all well and good to highlight every company you want to work with, there are sometimes background forces that make them unsuitable. The biggest issue is their available resources. While they may say that they are in a position to make a purchase, it might not necessarily reflect their ability to actually make payments. It's important to make sure that any potential customers you bring in are able to continue being your customers in the future. Like our credit card providers qualify their customers using references from credit reference agencies, you may want to do the same with any clients, companies, or people that you want to work with in the future as well. This is where companies like Creditsafe provide the security for you to make informed business decisions. And it's why we've created the Creditsafe integration add-on for SugarCRM's suite of products. The Creditsafe add-on provides a dashlet to Sugar that allows you to do an instant check of the companies that you're researching. It links public credit and director records into Sugar, taken directly from Creditsafe. Then it provides credit information with a red, amber, green system to tell you how healthy the company is with creditors. For your sales team, it adds a layer of assurance that your targets are always going to be in a position to pay for your services. But there are some extra quality of life features built in too. For example, if you want to bring directors' information in from Creditsafe, a button press brings all of them into your lead record as a contact. You can also merge existing contacts with Creditsafe's information, so you're always up to date in your system. And the add-on is compatible with companies worldwide, so you can benefit from the add-on from almost anywhere. Full details and purchasing of the Enable Creditsafe add-on can be found through our Sugar Outfitters page, a link of which is in the description. If you have any comments or questions about the add-on though, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. It's also available as part of Enable's current offer, where all of our Sugar add-ons are available to you without charge for the first year, details of which can be found in this video up here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.